gonna send your ass to Afghanistan.
Look at this. Oh my God. Right. Hey everybody. In today's vlog, I got this droopy titty fuck following me on the trail. Help! Hi everyone. All right. It's Saturday. It's Saturday, June 22nd. It's rainy. It's sprinkling a little bit. It's rainy. It's not sunny. It's been hot the last couple of days. Oh my God. Today I'm going on another mountain hike. I'm aiming.
600 feet. Turn right onto Milford Street.
I'm aiming for Mount Greylock, which I believe is a 6.5 mile hike up.
At the light.
I'm on my way. That's Western Massachusetts. I'm on my way. Well, let's go. We'll see what happens. Right. We're here at Mount Greylock. It said 5.5 miles to the summit. All right, let's go. All right. I'm in Western Massachusetts. I believe this is North Adams. Mount Greylock. I think I'm on the Bellows Pipe Trail. It said 5.5 miles. So damn, it's raining. Rain and thunder, but I'm gonna keep pushing. You know, fuck it. I'm gonna keep pushing and see if I can make it to the top, even in the weather. I got a poncho, and maybe I should have wore some heavier boots, but this poncho should do well. Fuck it, let's go. There's a black bear up in the trees. I don't know if he sees me. He's right there. He's right there moving around. It's this early in the trail. There's a fucking bear. I don't know. I don't see any cubs. That bear's definitely looking at me. Yeah, that's a mama bear. She's got one tiny little cub with her. I'm not sure if I should pass. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do. She does have a cub, and I'm afraid to pass the trail. She's about maybe 50 feet in from the trail. Well, yeah, I turned around. There was I'm walking up the trail. I had my headphones in, and the corner of my eye, I see a black spot in the brush, in the ferns, kind of up on the hill on the side of the trail. And there's a couple big black logs. So if my brain registered, I just saw it real like a quick glimpse, and my brain registered stop. And I looked around, and there was a lot of black stumps sticking out of the ground, and my brain knew that it wasn't. It just knew. So then I just kind of went around, and sure enough, it was a big old bear, and it had a small cub. It was about 50 feet off the trail, and I wanted to pass. I wanted to do this hike. I drove 3 hours out to do the 5.5 miles up Mount Greylock. I don't know. I'm going to go up the road and I'm going to check it out, but they were foraging for food. The rain started coming in heavy. There was no wind that could have carried my scent. So I was under the assumption that the bear couldn't even hear me because of the rain. And they were just, she was teaching the youngin how to forage for fucking food. And that's my assumption. And so I just didn't pass and turned around. Fuck it. I'm going to go up the road. I think the main Mount Greylock, the main park area is up the road, maybe about 5, 6, 7 miles up. This right here was a little pull off. I don't know, but all right. I went up to the main parking area. This is the main gate, and I think this road goes all the way to the summit, and it says 6.5 miles. But then there's a trail over here, the Bernard Farm Trail. I'm going to hit that. I think it zigzags through the mountain, through the road as it goes up. So hopefully there's no more bear run-ins. But just in case, I don't know. I don't want to have to fuck around, but I don't want to have to do it. But if I get charged and it's life or death, fuck. All right, this is the beginning of the trail. Let's fucking go. All right, so it said that sign, that road that goes all the way up is 6.8 miles. I gotta look up how long this Bernard Trail is. I want to walk the road. Well, why not? This Bernard's Trail will end up cutting onto the road. Maybe I'll just stick on the road. I don't know. Bye, little fella. All right. I think I'm coming up to the first junction to cross the road. My head is on a swivel. I'm keeping my eye out. I don't want to startle a bear and have to shank him. All right. This little guy, he's scurrying across the road. Let me help you out, buddy. You good? Hell yeah, brother. I'm gonna walk the road for a bit, so here we go. Another little neuter.
I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life, and see if I could not learn what it had to teach, and not when I came to die, discover that I had not lived.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking my meter says I already went 2.47 miles up this road. So I could cut here, go to the falls here, and then just walk back down. Or I can go to the summit. I didn't bring my other footwear. I'm hiking up in my work boots. I got another 4 miles to go. I'm half a mile to the falls. All right. Headed down to the falls. I can already hear them. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna put a screenshot of the mileage and the distance and the time it took me. I'm gonna put a screenshot up there, and that's included going up to the falls and back. I'm gonna unpause it and hike back out and back down to the car, and then we'll see the total distance and time. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm right up to the road. Man, that 0.7 miles, 0.75 miles up that fucking, from the falls, that was fucking heavy. All right, everybody, that was fun. That was about 2.5 miles up the road, and then I cut off and went down to the falls, that was 0.75 miles to the falls. And then I'll put up on the screen my total distance. It is fucking super foggy. Oh man. Yeah, so I ended up driving up to the summit of Mount Greylock, and it was cloudy. It was just clouds. Couldn't see a thing. I got some footage. There was like a tower, and it was so foggy. We were just in the clouds, and I wasn't able to get any views except this pull off down the mountain a little bit. You'll see that, but yeah. Yeah, definitely. Come along.